How do I open this big thing? I mean, it's huge. There we go. And there we go. And that just dropped my lights. Okay. Let's go. Let's see. The first thing is loop. Okay, it's just like in there, but packed up separately. GAN 356i, nice. Oh my god, the GAN 13 maglev and the Tornado flagship. The flash card for OLL. The Tornado with the V3 Pioneer. The Monster Go EDU. And PLL algorithm cards. So that's a huge unboxing right there. And that's, oh my god, that's why I began with all this thing. Okay, so we see the huge difference because OLL and PLL are just like different categories. So we have here, for sure, a big amount of OLLs, and here the smaller amount of PLLs. And these are the cubes I've been waiting for. So we got the Tornado with 3, and this is the flagship version. I try to find out which will suit me better, so the flagship or the Pioneer, and here we got the Pioneer. So let's put that aside first. Then we got here the GAN 356i, which has a bigger packaging than the 13 maglev. That's maybe, I don't know, maybe because of the docking station. Yeah, it should have one. So let's open up first the different loops. I have already a bunch of loops at home, which yeah. So Comet, we have that one already, but nice to have it twice. So what's the next one? Next up we got, which one is it? What's in here? Oh, okay, it's one of my favorite loops from Sweetie Shop. It's Lunar. It's making your cube fast as hell. Very nice. So Comet and Lunar. Next one. What do we have here? It's Nebula. So these are like new redesigned loops, I guess. A bit better bottles than the old ones, and it's for sure better designed with better pictures on it, but that's not what it makes better. Ja? Ha? Nein, mache ich gleich. Ja. So, what do you have here? Oh, that's Stardust, the fastest loop yet from Sweetie Shop. Very nice, very good looking. And this should be Alien, or what is it called? It's not, no, it's, ooh, Martin. Oh yeah. But it has an alien face on it. Okay, let's just lower the music. Okay, so these are the loops we got right now. A bunch of loops, very nice, which we will use in the cubes we will unbox. So I'm excited, but we won't start with the big ones, and which what I saw is the packaging of the tornadoes they got smaller and a lot smaller, but still one of the bigger packaging experiences in the cubing market, which I like because I don't know, you feel like you get something for your money. This cube is worth almost $100, so $90, something like that, and that's triple the price of the tornado, and you get this small package. But yeah, so this is the Tornado V2, the old version, and a bunch which is liked, and yeah, till this day it's my main cube. And what we have here is the GAN 12 maglev, which is the older version of this one. So we will begin with the Monster Go EDU, and let's open it up. Pretty straightforward packaging, and it lays in here without any even without it's not like in plastic or something, it's just in there. So the battery CFOP tutorial. Oh, they made a new one. Even though Monster Go is by GAN, they made a new one, which I like. Here are all the different Monster Go products. It's like a lineup for beginners to get people into cubing. I like the idea of it, but this is supposed to be RS3M killer, and oh yeah, I really like it because it has magnets in it. Uh-huh. Oh, okay, and it's even for me, a bit too fast, even though I like fast cubes. And I like it a whole lot. Okay, it's factory looped, and it has the normal like the normal, what is it called? Spider? No, honeycomb design. Yeah, and that's quite nice. So let's do solve on it. I really like it. Really enjoy it. I didn't thought that I would like it this much, but that's just a nice cube. We have a timer here, and let's go straight into it. I have another camera up there. Let's put on the other camera also, just so you guys have different perspectives. I think that's a nice idea. And that's not the perspective we want to have. So, okay. What did just happen? Music just stopped. I don't know. Okay, now we can hear it. Let's go into it. Unbox welcome, every street. Okay, 26. Just like I said, it's uncontrollable at the beginning, but it's easier to make a fast cube slow than the way around. But I really like the feel, very well executed. Corner cutting, but with a bit of strength. Nice corner cutting. I don't know if the corner cutting is better than in the RS3M, but I like the feel of it, in general feel, and that's what what we need. I really like it. Okay, very well designed, matte finish. More matte than on the Tornado V2. Let's jump into the GAN 3. Should we go into it or step by step? So Tornado, X-Men Designs, and then the GANs. Let's start with it. Okay, let's just go into it. Let's see. Normally, I don't have a knife right here. Okay, right here. It got damaged already. So, like, plastic. Okay. I'm excited for this one because it's a smart cube. And I had 2 or 3 smart cubes in the past, but they never really had the great speed cube experience. And oh yeah! So we have here a pretty different cubing back than than I expected, and then we get like normally. The old and normal manual. I like the one from the Monster Go EDU a lot more, so they could have used it and just redesigned it a bit, but I don't know. Maybe they think it's not needed, because if someone buys a cube like this, they normally know how to solve it. But yeah, that's a nice card, smart cube. I don't know, but it looks nice. Here's the docking station, looking pretty cool with USB-C cable. That's nice. And here's the cube, and we got an accessory box right at the bottom. The cube, is it? Yeah, okay, it is the normal size. 356, sorry. So here the normal module we had with the 12 maglev, I like it. The manual was in here, how to charge it and how to set it up, but I don't think I will set it up this much or that much. So cable, I have a lot of these. Interesting how this looks. And springs, so a bunch of accessories, different springs. And let's get into the cube. So right here we have it. And how am I supposed to open it? Ah, right here, okay. Okay, and there's, okay, it's looped. I like it. Matte finish again. We have here the magnets. Interesting design. Can I don't think I'm supposed to open it up, but feels very nice. Okay, very nice feel, just like a GaNCube feels, but a bit looped too much. Let's do a solve on it. That's just an unboxing, okay guys, so the review and the app and so on, I won't do it right now. So let's do a solve. And okay, interesting. Hmm. Seconds, nice one. Could have been better. Quite easy to scramble. And now let's look at this. So I think we can charge it from any side. So just throw it in there. That's quite nice. I like that. That's really nice that they made it like this. Nice feeling. So now the first cube I can really use and get my usual times on. So the one I used a lot was the what is it called? I used the GoCube, yeah, and the GoCube had like a different shape, so nothing I really enjoy a cube on, but still it had a great app. The best smart tube, I think, till this date. So even better than this, because I can't say anything about the app because I haven't used it. Oh, the LEDs are on somehow. I don't know why. But yeah, this has a much better feel, the normal GaN feel we all use, or we all know and love. But yeah, just the app isn't great from what I saw, but I can't say anything. So in the review I will just talk about it. And now let's go with the 13 Maglev. Just like I said in the beginning, my main is the Tornado V2. But yeah, let's just see. The last. Wait, I really have to get a knife. Hello, what's up, what's up? So now I just got a knife and let's open this thing up. So I enjoyed cubing on the 12 maglev, but I don't like, I like the idea of the auto aligning system and it worked quite well, but I think the corner cutting wasn't getting any better by it, and I locked up whole lot on it. By setting it up, it got a bit better, and I could just make it a lot better. But yeah, that's why I didn't use this as my main, and I really don't know why Simon Kolosinski is using it, but well, if he gets a world record, I won't say anything. So how do I open it up? Right here, I think. Yeah, buy magnet, scan cube, really nice matte finish, and let's open it up. It really looks insane. The card in the middle, on the left we have the accessory box, and on the right the cube with a much better box, I think, than the last time. If this would have been transparent, it would be perfect. So here we got the card, which is not really looking better, I think, but it suits well to the color and all that. And what we got here, let's look inside here. So I think the same cube bag than last year and the year before that, but yeah, nice to have. And yeah, and again the menu, I really hate it. I can't have enough of this, of the manuals, not the manuals, of the tutorials, I mean. And here is, yeah, system and so on. I mean, if someone buys this cube, I think he saw every video that's out there about it. So nothing new, and yeah, let's just get straight up into it. Here's a 12 maglev, just for comparing it. And yeah. So how do I open it up? Oh yeah, it's magnet. I forgot. And it really looks the same. Oh, the feeling of having a new. Oh, yeah, but like really nice, really nice. And here we have the tool for it. Oh wait, when I open it up, it's not very well built, I feel. But when it's closed, then it's good. But when it's like that, then it's nice. Like, I don't know. Yeah, it's UV coated. I don't really know if there's even a other version, is it? But yeah, that's UV coated. Oh shit! What? And wait, are the colors different? Are the colors different? Am I dumb, or are they different a bit? It looks like it, or? I have a Pyraminx, yeah, and welcome to the stream. The one from GAN. Okay guys, unluckily the camera went off. I was on stream, so I couldn't figure it out. Yeah, that was it for this video, but I will make an in-depth video about all of these cubes that I just showed in this video. Still hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next ones. So prepare for many cool videos in the future. Subscribe for more, and see you. Bye.